Hi, this is Mark Versette from Georgetown County School District, and I wanted to give you a quick little insight and I guess a suggestion for a tool that a lot of our pre-K through 2 teachers are using inside their classrooms. It is an interactive board, I guess to say the least, and it's called Jamboard. The way that I get there, if you notice, I'm in my Google account. I went to the waffle. I just came down here to more, and then I clicked on Jamboard. And Jamboard is now free, and it's been free for a little while here, but it's offered in the G Suite. So if I go ahead and I want to create a new Jamboard, I'm going to go ahead and click on the plus, and it's going to create an interactive space or a whiteboard that I can go ahead and share. In other tutorials, you've seen that, again, me kind of go through the entire toolbar and explain what it is that can be done. For this one, I wanted to show you a workaround. There used to be, right here, when you'd click on more actions, you were able to go ahead and create what was called a Jamcode, which was essentially, I think, like maybe a combination of 4 or 5 letters and numbers where students could type that in and join your Jamboard. Unfortunately now, that feature has gone away. So I'm going to kind of show you how you can easily use this, say in like a 1st or 2nd grade classroom, if you're limited to iPads and you can't push it through Google Classroom. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to call this maybe, we're going to call it character traits. I'm going to name my Jamboard. And I just did that by clicking in here. The second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add an image. If we just got done reading a book, Huggy and Stick, I'm going to go over here to my toolbar. I'm going to click on Add an Image, and I'm going to go to Google Search, and I'm going to type in Huggy and Stick and see what comes up. This is how easy this is to use. So I'm going to grab this picture and hit Select. And I can adjust this. I can spin it. I just wanted to get this image up here, and now I'm just going to go simply reshape this, and I'm going to move it here so my students have a visual. And then I also want to title this character traits. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to show you one more tool with the sticky note. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab no background color on this, and I'm going to call it character traits, because I'm going to have my students join in and list the different character traits between Huggy and Stick. So again, I'll go ahead and grab this and I can move this over here. And you'll see that I've got that. And what my directions are going to be for my students is I'm going to have them collaborate, and I'm going to have them brainstorm and then add their own stickies of the different character traits for Huggy and for Stick. And they're going to go ahead and do this on this board. So the way that I'm going to do this, like I said before, I could go ahead and come up here and click on these, and I could just create what's called a Jamcode. Unfortunately, now I can't do that. Instead, I'm going to go here to Share, just like any other Google file. And where it says, right now it is private, I'm going to change this, and I'm actually going to use this in a classroom where students are sharing iPads and it's not pushed through Google Classroom. So the good thing is they have QR code readers on those iPads. So I'm going to switch this to anyone with the link, and I'm going to allow them to edit. And then I'm just going to hit Save. And now I'm going to copy this link, hit Done, and this is how I'm going to share it with my students. I'm going to come up here to a new tab, and I'm simply just going to type in QR generator. The first one that comes up, I've used it a lot of times, the QR code generator. I'm going to click on this. Real simple to use. I click on URL, and I'm just going to simply paste it in. And right here this is the QR code that the kids are going to scan on their iPads, and it's going to give them each access then to this board so we can collaborate. To create new pages, I just simply go over this way. So again, this is a great collaborative tool. Have fun with it. And good luck. Just now, like I said, unfortunately, you can't share it using the Jamboard code. So now, just a little workaround. Go to a QR generator and fill it out, and then have your kids scan that code so they have access to your Jamboard. Good luck.